All right, happy Thursday. I can't believe, again, you probably heard this in a different video of mine, but I can't believe it's Thursday already, that it's already the end of week 3. We've gotten through 3 weeks of online schooling, and I miss you guys so much. But I've had a blast making these videos for you, seeing you guys on the lives and everything like that. So I'm very glad we can do that. Jumping right in, I am looking again. I have it next to me so I can read the actual, directions to you and everything like that. So it says, diagram the compound subject and the compound predicate in each sentence. There are only 2 of them, and I am going to show you one. So really, you only have to do one. So the first one is Scarlett and Sophia sing a song. Now, the direction said compound subject and compound predicate, so I can assume that there's going to be more than one of each. So what I'm going to start off by doing is just making my line, my vertical line, that separates my subjects and my predicates, okay? Because I don't know how many I need yet. We have to look at the thing first. So we're going to start with our subjects. We have Scarlett and Sophia stood. So stood is a verb that starts our predicates. There goes my marker. Just throwing things all over the place. We have this, so it's our predicate. So we have Scarlett and Sophia, which tells me that I have 2. 1, 2. So who are mine? Scarlett. And the other is Sophia. But we cannot forget our conjunction here. And, ta-da! And since there's no the Scarlett or she or any modifiers, it's just Scarlett and Sophia. Plain and simple. Now let's look at the rest of it. Stood and sang a song. This one's going to be pretty simple too. So I see my and. That's going to kind of separate my 2. Now you know there are 2. My 2 predicates. So we're going to do our 2 offshoots again. Oop, that is too high. It's going to run into the sentence. I know it's very close to the sentence. I'm very sorry about that. So, what did Scarlett and Sophia do? Well, first, they stood. We have our conjunction, and they sang. Now, stood, that's all it says they do. So stood is just fine the way it is. Done. But sang has a little bit more to it. What did it say that they sang? They sang song. What kind of song did they sing? They sang a song, the modifier. So this is our direct object. This is our modifier. Okay? So you're going to do the next one yourself. Moving on to, sorry, I'm erasing it as I talk. Moving on to D, it says, there is an adverb of degree in each sentence that modifies an adjective or another adverb, which is an adjective that describes a verb. Underline the adverb of degree and write on the line whether it modifies an adjective or another adverb. So let's look at number 1. It says, you are so late. Ah! I say ah because of the exclamation. You are so late. Ah! How could you? So, well, we know that you is the subject. We're looking for the adverb of degree, which means it's telling us how much of something. Which would be what? Late. That doesn't really tell us how late. Are doesn't really tell us an amount either. The only thing that really tells us an amount is so. So what you're doing is you're underlining the adverb of degree. I just did it for you. So. Now we have to write, it says on the line, whether it modifies an adjective or an adverb. So, is it just modifying something that's describing the subject, or is it something that's describing the verb? You are so late. Is late describing, is late an adverb, or is it just an adjective? It's just really describing the person. So, we would write adjective here on the line, okay? So you're going to do the other 4 there, and then on E, you're just reviewing sentence fragments versus full sentences, okay? So remember, the daily newspaper. Is that a full sentence? No, that's just a subject. It's just telling you a thing, a noun. Okay? For spelling today, all you have to do is the worksheet provided, and then you are finishing up your biographies today to get ready to turn in tomorrow. All right? If you have any questions, please let me know before you turn everything in. Bye!